I'm walking through the Pontiac Transportation Museum in Pontiac, Michigan, and I'm in the Phase 3 section, where you take a tour to go through this section. And there's a lot of cars moving around in here as they're working on the Phase 2 section. So this has some storage. So it's a great way to come see the museum, take a tour, and see some of these cars that are waiting for display. It's rare that you get to see that in a museum. This car, I just love it in black. It's got details like you can see down here with the stripe. Pontiac 2+2. And a nice sunroof. Typical Pontiac interior. Very comfortable plush seats. Nice wheels. And I love this window. Such a NASCAR influence. Aerodynamic rear window. Little lip of a spoiler. It's just a great Grand Prix. An example of some of the great cars you can see at the Pontiac Transportation Museum.